Lawson Road guys. Hinahanap ko lang yung bar na nakita ko. Pag maganda yung atmosphere, doon na tayo. This is the last morning in Bangkok. Let's go out. Kain tayo dito sa dulo. Yung mga dulo-dulong kainan. Kasi ang dami kong barya guys. Nag-check. Tsaka nakapambahay lang ako today. Mamaya lalabas tayo bilang last day na natin. So, let's go. Diyan. Let's go. Meron silang soup guys. Coconut soup. So, tom yum. Glass noodles. Rice topping. Hindi ko alam mga bibig niya kasi may electric fan dito man. So mamaya pupunta tayo sa GMM TV. Isa sa mga stations na pinapanood ko mostly for Thai shows. So yun na lang yung natitira sa itinerary natin. Then the Bangkok. Lagay na lang. Lagay ko kayo. Hindi ako. Ay. Let's go. Good morning, last day. So, nandito ako ngayon sa area kung nasa yung GMMTV building. Very excited. So, hindi na ako nakapag-close ng vlog kasi I had so much fun last night sa the club, Kausan. So, visit there. So, let's go. Lalakad na lang tayo. Look at that! Grabe place. Food Square. Hindi ko na-connect sa taas. Diba? Let's check. Amazing guys. Yan. So guys, hindi ako nakaakyat kasi kailangan pala ng passport, yung physical. Sayang. Pero okay lang. Basta puntahan ko na yung building. So yung GMMTV guys, it's hindi ko alam kung legit na broadcasting network na siya or production company that produces contents internationally and of course sa Thailand, and most of their shows my favorite. So kaya I took time on my last day to visit this. Kung kunin ko yung passport ko, medyo malayo din, 30 minutes away. So ngayon punta na tayo ng Terminal 21 since malapit naman siya dito. And doon na tayo kumain kung merong kakain. Let's go. Hindi ko pa pala kayo nalilibot sa city ng Bangkok, no? Actually, malabo kasing libutin yung Bangkok City ng isang araw or 2 days. So, lalakad na tayo pa. Terminal 21. I'll see you there na lang kapag nandun na tayo. There! That's the placard. That's the building. Hindi nyo nakikita. That's that. Hindi nyo nababasa siguro. Ayan, GMM. GMMTV. Sige, halika na, maglakad na tayo. Last day to explore! Kasi mamayang gabi flight ko na. Sad. But that's okay. We'll just come back. And next time, alam na natin. We need passport. Lang guys, ito na Terminal 21. Ito nakita ko kanina sa sa bus ay kahapon sa train. I saw this, sabi ko nga pala kailangan pala puntahan to, no? In. Oh. Sa taas na tayo. Pero ikot muna tayo ng konti. The cost, Birkenstock. Dito pala may mga no. Okay guys, so H&M. Punta tayo sa food court. 7th Street. Hello guys, nandito na ako sa Terminal 21. So punta na tayo ng dito pala. Punta na tayo ng Pier 21. Dito na tayo sa Terminal 21. Let's go. ng bridge, oh. $300. So, kain muna tayo. Nag-crave ako sa KFC pero parang ayoko rin. Ano yun? Per dish is 30, oh. Good. 25. Jordan Thai curry noodles. Ano siya? Beans chicken. Braised pork beef. Ito yung kunain ko na nakaraan na. So may rice. Bases. Yung fried rice. Yan tayo. So anong code nito? Ting guide pala guys. Tapos kuha tayo ng Thai street food mamaya. Pero kaya muna tayo. Ahono. Stir fried shrimp basil. 22.
Not enough? Okay. I'll come back.
Stir fried Thai basil. 22. Tomato isa. Kasi dito ka magbabayad. Galing. Meron pa sila before let's go. Guys, grabe, napusog ako dun lang sa isang dish. So, babalik ko na yung card. And then, mamaya na tayo kumain sa gabi. Pero, nice experience. Pier 21. Thank you. Okay. So, 80 baht lang yung nagastos ko. Sobrang busog na ako. So, balik ko na tayo ng hotel. Prep na tayo. Di pa ako nag-empake. So, tingnan ko makadaan tayo sa street market later. So, next time pala, babalikan na lang natin yung plato na ito. Guys, last dinner sa Thailand. Flight ko na mamaya. This is the bar sa baba ng hotel. Hi guys! So, I'm prepared to go back to Manila. Ang galing. Na-survive ko yung patay in Bangkok in a few days. So, yeah. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung vlog. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado kasi mostly naman for the walk and gusto ko lang i-immerse yung sarili ko dito sa community. Susunod na vlog natin pag nabalik tayo dito sa Thailand, it'll be more detailed and it'll be more fun kasi may mga na-miss tayong mga attraction, so yun yung mga babalikan natin. But all in all, everything went really well and everything went as planned. Yun, hindi lang tayo nakapunta sa Rama 8 Bridge kasi kulang na tayo sa oras kasi flight na natin. Pero, again, babalikan natin siya or baka mamaya madaanan natin siya to the airport. So, we're gonna end our vlog in the series for Thailand. Feel so blessed and rewarded. I know that there's a lot of things that I wish I could have seen during this travel, pero okay lang din, at least may babalikan tayo. So yeah, that's it. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlog kahit na snips lang siya, but you know, at least na-enjoy natin yung view. And I think the most memorable parts of any travels are those na hindi nakaka-capture ng camera. And yun. So if you haven't, can like, subscribe, and see you on the next travel. Bye! Bye! Art Hotel. Hindi makita yung pangalan mo. Ayan siya. Guys, we're leaving Thailand. Okay, so tingnan ko nga yung flight ko. 5J MNN. Ayan o. N. Guys, grabe o. Kapag self-check-in na ako, so walang open na counter for self-check-in. Guys, done na tayo. Check-in. Wow, ang tagal na. So, passport control na tayo. Let's go. Bawal na picture. Kapasta na tayo sa immigration. Hoy, grabe yung immigration nila. Customs. Parang bawal pa ata mag-video. Mamaya na lang. We're trying to find if this way. Grabe yung, immigration nila. Ang bilis. Tatap mo lang yung passport mo. And then, picture. Na-recognize nila yung person sa passport. Anyway, dapat ma-recognize naman nila yun. Pero, amazing lang. Philippines! So anyway, dito, alam mo, okay sana yung mga airport eh. Like, very, very okay. Ang dating lang is puro luxury brand. At kung merong mang general commodity, mahal. So, ayun. Ang ganda ng design. Wait. Oh. Gusto tayo? F1. Airline lounges. Hindi na tayo makapag-lounge. Try ko pa naman sana. CR muna tayo. 1 hour. So, umalis ako dun sa hotel past 12. So, 5 na ngayon. November 4, 5. So, mamayang 4 pa yung flight natin to 8 a.m. No luggage. Guys, again, pasensya na kung hindi pa stable yung camera. Makakaraos din tayo. But for now, trial and error muna itong mga vlogs natin. And susunod ng mga vlogs natin, we'll definitely have more materials, equipments, and kapag nasanay na ako kaka-vlog, I think gaganda na rin yung laman ng contents. So, anyway, it's a creature of habit naman tayo mga human beings. Tingnan niyo to, liquor and tobacco. Guys, yung kanina pa ako naglalakad pero hindi pa ako nakakarating. May vocalator naman sila. Ayun.
โปรดทราบเครื่องบินของสายการบิน Indigo Airlines เที่ยวบินที่ 6-1058 พร้อมแล้วที่ออกเดินทางไปกาลาตาขอเชิญผู้โดยสารทุกท่านขึ้นเครื่องได้ณทางออก T6 โปรดขึ้นเครื่องได้ณทางออก T6 ขอบคุณค่ะ
Yes. Have fun. Oh. Fun guys, oh. Mali ako, dapat bumaba pa kasi. Ayan. Let's go. Ayan na. Have fun.